In this video, I'll show you how to use the BondStart promo code. Step 1. Choose the one-click registration option. Step 2. Enter BondStart in the promo code field. Click Register. Good luck!